ever dreamt of waking up in the middle of a vineyard? Well, you no longer have to dream. That's a reality right here in California. Welcome to Wander St. Helena, the ultimate grape escape in extended comfort. I'm Frankie, and I'm gonna take you on a tour here of this very luxurious 6-bedroom, 7-bathroom vineyard mansion that truly lets you indulge in a prolonged stay with a minimum 30-day booking requirement. This home is absolutely stunning here. You have a full in-ground pool and hot tub, plenty of outdoor space with a fireplace, a dining table, and so much more that we're going to explore here together. Are you ready to see the spectacular home? Come on, let's go on inside. Now, as soon as you enter the home here, you will be enchanted by the swinging wooden door. I mean, what a wonderful way to just enter into this mansion. And then as you walk on in here, you're first gonna be greeted with a very peaceful, zen, private patio area where you have a picnic table and plenty of space to just lounge and relax. But we're gonna go head on in this way through the sliding glass doors into our main space. That's an open floor concept where our kitchen, dining room, and living room all meet into one space, creating a very nice, elegant, and warm feeling as soon as you enter. Now, popping on into our living room here, we have so many neutral tones that create a beautiful contrast of colors, from our wood paneled ceiling to our very unique light fixtures, plush couch and cozy armchairs, to our massive television that just blends seamlessly into our wooden design here. It all speaks to the modern aesthetic this whole house upholds. And of course, in here, you have a natural fireplace. I mean, just imagine staying nice and cozy next to this with a glass of wine. I mean, mwah, the epitome of relaxation. This home has not one, but 2 full kitchens. The first one here blends right into our open main space with dark wooden cabinetry, polished gray countertops, many high-end stainless steel appliances, and my favorite in here is the Tuscany-styled stone backsplash. And then right behind that, we can walk right on into our second full kitchen that is so spacious and has everything you're going to need, from stainless steel appliances with your Thermador stove and refrigerator. You have coffee makers back here, and of course you have a massive wine cellar, which is a must-have here in St. Helena. Now, both of these kitchens combined here provide you with everything you need to create some amazing food. But if you want a break from cooking, you can have our Wander Concierge recommend a private local chef in the area to come here and craft delicious dishes for you and your friends and family. And whenever you're ready to enjoy those meals, you can sit right along our kitchen island here with seating for 6, or you can step right on in to our beautiful, and I mean beautiful, natural wood dining table that seats 12. And what I love most about this table here is that it is massive. So if you fill it up with all of your friends and family, you're gonna have the most amazing conversations and create some memories that will last a lifetime here in your Wander house. And here at Wander St. Helena, you can dine al fresco in your outdoor dining table that seats 12. Now, our outside features our very zen patio filled in with stone, with a picnic table accompanied with a water fountain to just enhance all of the peace you're gonna have out here. And on the other side of the house, we have our grand backyard with a 2-level patio. On the top, you're gonna find the dining table with a bonus outdoor grill, as well as a very comfortable lounging space area with your very own gas fireplace and 2 outdoor heaters. So this is a great spot to watch the sunrise come right up above the mountains, or the sunset, or perhaps stargaze at night. And now I know you saw the pool behind me, so let's go take a look. You have a grand in-ground crystal clear pool and hot tub accompanied with lounging chairs and umbrellas. So you can take a dip in the sun, in the waters, or relax in the shade. And then right next to our pool, you're gonna find a nice yard area, and the most unique and super fun feature of this house, you have a full bocce ball court, so you can have some friendly competition and enjoy the outdoors. And the standout feature of your main space here is your view from either side of the room. On one side, you have the entry doorways that lead on out to the Zen patio we saw when we first entered. And then on the complete other side, you have floor-to-ceiling glass that opens all the way out to our backyard and patio with spectacular vineyard and mountain views. And when you have all of these doors open here, it creates a seamless flow of indoor-outdoor living. Now behind our main living room, you're actually gonna find another family entertainment room back here with the most comfortable couch you will ever sit on in your entire life. In here, you have a flat screen TV, plenty of gorgeous art pieces and decor, and games along the bookshelf over here. So this is wonderful if you're here with a large group because you can create so many special memories. Now on the other end of the house, you're gonna find the primary bedroom that is a tranquil sanctuary with its king-size bed, beautiful blue hues and all of the artwork, a gas fireplace, workstation, a wall-mounted TV, and a huge walk-in closet with its own vanity. But the grandest part of this primary bedroom here is, of course, your sliding glass doors that lead you right on out to the outdoors, where you have an unobstructed view of the vineyards and hills. And I mean, this doesn't even look real. It's seriously like a picture. It is so beautiful. It's absolutely so peaceful out here. And if you wake up in the morning, come out here with a cup of coffee, you're gonna feel like you're in a dream. In our Wander bedrooms, we strive to give you even better sleep than you get at your very own home. So we make sure every single one of our mattresses are so comfortable and use the latest in sleep technology so that you can control it from plush to firm depending on your taste. That way you wake up rejuvenated and fully refreshed. And in addition to that, we have wireless phone chargers next to every single one of the beds, so don't stress if you forgot to pack your own. Now your primary bathroom is oh so elegant. You have a floating double vanity sink with black countertops and wood cabinetry. And then, of course, along this way, you have your gorgeous soaking porcelain tub paired with the most amazing view. And the greenery on the outside here just looks so gorgeous against our bathroom colors. And just talking about this tub, I want to take a bubble bath and sip on a glass of wine. How about you? And then right around the corner here, you're gonna find a spa-like shower that is so luxurious with a rainfall shower head, a steam shower feature, and you have a door that opens right on out to the outside so you can be truly one with nature. We have the highest end amenities in every single Wander bathroom that will exceed all of your expectations. We provide you with combs, razors, we have high-end shampoos, body washes, and conditioners that are all hand-picked items, as well as super plush towels, robes, and slippers. And by far my favorite feature I always look forward to is slipping on into my Wander robe during every single stay. It is so warm and comfortable, and I mean, especially in this villa, you can kick back with a nice glass of wine. One of the main benefits of staying at a Wander house versus other vacation homes is our ultra-modern workstations. And here at Wander St. Helena, we have two for your use. Every Wander home has high-speed internet and ubiquity hardware across the entire property. Each workstation features a Herman Miller Aeron chair, which seriously has the best back support of all chairs, and an uplift sit-to-stand desk. You're also gonna find the best Logitech Brio 4K camera so that you will look crystal clear in all of your Zoom calls, and you won't even need a virtual background, as well as a 38-inch extra wide LG curved monitor. And one thing I seriously love about every single one of these workstations is that we set it up so all you have to do is plug one wire into your laptop here, and then it's all connected for you, making the process completely hassle-free. Now there are 5 additional bedrooms within this house here. On the ground level, you have a bedroom along with our primary that has a twin-size bed and a Workstation, and then 2 more on the upstairs here, both with queen-size beds, very light-filled with working desks, TVs, in-suite bathrooms, and balcony access. As you are admiring this incredible villa here, you will notice the interior design is meticulously curated and always reflects the location that the house is in. Since St. Helena, California is known for its charming countryside, wineries, and natural beauty, all of the decor materials used in this very home here reflect that, giving you a fully immersed vacation experience. On the outside here, you're gonna find a separate wing of the house. Come on, let's go take a peek. In this separate wing of the house, you have your own dining table that seats 4, a full living room with a gas fireplace, a kitchenette, and 2 additional bedrooms, one being a bunk room with 2 twin-size beds and one with a king-size bed and an in-suite bathroom. Now, this is perfect when you're here with a large family, multiple different families, or a huge group of friends and couples. This way, you all can have your own private space, and that just warrants a really fun trip. You can enhance your family vacation with Wander. We provide you with essential kids items such as high chairs, cribs, and kids utensils in the kitchen. So those are some items you don't have to worry about packing on your trip. You have your very own laundry room here with a full washer and dryer. You have a large garage that fits 3 cars, so there's enough room for everyone. If you are feeling overwhelmed with what to do during your stay, we can help you out. We have a travel guide you can watch right after this with a ton of recommendations on what to do, see, and eat within St. Helena. But if you're looking for extra help, you can contact our Wander Concierge at the number shown on the screen here anytime with questions. At Wander, we believe that life's special moments such as weddings and family reunions are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these occasions. Whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelorette party, an epic family reunion, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to create memories that are unforgettable. Head on over to wander.com/events to discover on how to make your celebrations extraordinary. Well, thank you for joining me here at Wander St. Helena. Let's go dive into all the adventures that await us here in the area. You can check out our travel guide next to learn all about it. We can't wait to welcome you here in sunny wine country. See you soon.